Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe webhooks to Slack, full guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will walk you through the process of connecting Stripe webhooks to Slack. First, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Developers. Then, select Webhooks from the options available. Click the Add Endpoint button. In the URL field, enter the Slack webhook URL. To get this URL, go to your Slack workspace. In Slack, click on Apps in the sidebar. Search for Incoming Webhooks and select it. Click on Add to Slack. Choose the channel where you want to receive Stripe notifications. Then, click on Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. Copy the provided webhook URL. Return to your Stripe dashboard and paste the Slack webhook URL. Next, select the events you want to send to Slack. You can choose specific events like payment_intent.succeeded or invoice.payment_failed. Once you've made your selections, click Add Endpoint to save your changes. Now, to test if the connection works, trigger a sample event in Stripe. For example, create a test payment. Check your Slack channel to see if the notification appears. If you see the notification in Slack, your integration is successful. If not, double-check the webhook URL and the selected events. That's it. You've now successfully connected Stripe webhooks to Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.